Welcome to Classic Cars of Sarasota. Today we're going to look at this 1964 Corvette Coupe, silver blue. Inside you will see a dark blue. It's actually called Daytona blue. Almost looks like a black, but it is Daytona blue interior. Automatic. We'll start this in a second here, but just want to show you the overall vehicle first. The paint, as I mentioned, is a silver blue, is in excellent shape. You see the knockoff wheels, no chips or checking on the paint. Very nice finish on this 64 coupe. As I mentioned, silver blue. You can see the back deck. There's no spider webs or cracking at the windowsill, as you will see. Again, very clean paint, excellent condition. Again, the period correct white walls with the knockoffs. Door gaps look good. As we look at the engine, this here is a 327, 300 horse. What you're probably looking at right here is, yes, this is a factory AC car. It does have power brakes and power steering. Has all the correct shielding, manifolds, carbs, and accessories. As you would see, it is a matching numbers, 327, 300 horse, as I mentioned. It does have the original nose on the vehicle. If you go and look here, it is the original nose. Again, looking at the paint, is in great shape. No issues whatsoever. Showroom finish on this vehicle. Again, silver blue 64 coupe, 327, 300 horse. As I mentioned, factory air. You can see the compressor over there, and also the batteries on the driver's side here, which you would see on factory AC cars. As I mentioned, power brakes, power steering, makes this car very rare with factory air, power brakes, power steering. Go ahead and do a cold start. As you can see, touching everything. We'll get inside, start it up so you can listen to it. As I mentioned, Daytona blue interior. Is a automatic. And starts up. Odometer has 65,731. And on the title it is exempt, but the odometer does say 65,000. You can see we're idling almost at 1,500. And you'll see here the clock is working. There you go, it's a little bit better picture. The dial going. Rev up a little bit. Obviously without the side pipes you don't get the roar, but again, engine sounds nice. No ticking or knocking or issues. Very quiet engine, no knocking. Come out the back, no smoke coming out of the tailpipes. car warms up. See the temp is cold still. We'll go ahead and get this up in the air so you can see the underside. Again, the AC does work. Go ahead and we'll get this up in the air so you can see the underside. The underside is very clean on this car as well. The floor pans are in great shape. The frame is solid. As I mentioned, front nose is original. As we raise this up here, I do want to let you know, for those that may be looking for financing, we do have finance partners where we can finance this vehicle for you without a problem. Additionally, we do offer shipping worldwide. That does obviously include anywhere in the US and Canada. Kayla, our shipping manager, takes care of all the shipping needs we may have, or you may have as customers. We are located in Sarasota, Florida on 301, just north of University. As I mentioned, Kayla's able to take care of your shipping needs. If you have financing needs, we are able to take care of that as well. I do want to take you underneath and see. You can see the bottom of the 327, 300 horse. As I mentioned, again, very clean vehicle. You can see the exhaust. The frame's in great shape, as you can see. As I mentioned, the floor pans are in very good condition. Cross member looks good. And again, very clean underneath for this 1964 coupe. Very rare factory AC car with power steering and also power brakes. Beautiful silver blue. Paint is in great shape. You can kind of see the bottom of it. I showed you when it was on the ground, the paint, but you can see here as the paint shines, the beautiful silver blue. If you are interested, please give us a call at 941-355-1955 or visit us on our website at classiccarsofsarasota.com. Again, that's classiccarsofsarasota.com, or we can be reached at 941-355-1955 for this silver blue 1964 matching numbers 327 300 horse factory AC car. Again, we are able to take care of your financing needs, and if you have shipping needs, Kayla can manage your shipping for you. We are open 6 days a week, Monday through Friday, 9 to 5, Saturdays 10 to 2, and we will answer the phone from 9 a.m. to 9 p.m. Eastern, 7 days a week. You do get a live person. If you are interested, again, please give us a call, 941-355-1955 at Classic Cars of Sarasota.